Yeah, good morning everyone. This is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I'm an expert in acupuncture and traditional medicine, practicing from past 16 years in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, Banjara Hills Road number 14. So today my topic is how to control BP. I mean the low BP and the high BP. So a lot of patients, ask me about how to control BP without any drug. So basically, let me tell you why blood pressure occurs. It might be linked to your stress or your bad diet or lifestyle. So basically, it is not an infectious disease. It's a diet and lifestyle issue. So you have to control your diet and lifestyle. That's a primary aspect which you have to do. I've told you number of times how you can check my other videos also where I have spoken about diet, how to maintain your diet and lifestyle. So apart from maintaining the diet and lifestyle, I'll show you certain acupressure points which will help you to control your BP. And most of the heart problems, I can say heart attacks which usually occur, they do not have cholesterol or triglycerides. I can say at least 50% heart patients who are dying are nothing related to their cholesterol or triglycerides. So you have to control certain energies in your body where I'll show you certain points which can clear those congestions in your heart, because sometimes excess energy congestions in your heart might also create a heart failure. So you can just experience, you might have experienced also. I'll tell you further how you can feel that energy congestion. Whenever you are depressed, whenever you are overexcited, maybe some you love the most, you might have lost, so you might feel too much depressed, too much heaviness in your chest. Or whenever you won something in your life, you have achieved something in your life, you feel too much happiness also. You feel some certain energy congestion in your heart. Usually someone from your well-wisher comes down and taps your back, and you feel that relief, the energy dispersion you feel, and you feel relaxed. So it's a natural phenomena which indirectly we do not know. We just tap our back when you achieve something, or when you feel depressed, your near and dear caretakers will come to you and tap your back. So you feel better and you start crying and release that emotion. So energy congestion is also an important part which is mostly neglected, because the modern scientific community doesn't understand this energy subject. So let me tell you certain acupressure points where you can stimulate a regular basis and control those energies of your heart. So first and best important point is pericardium 6. So I'll show you how to locate. So you have a crease on your left hand. So this is a crease. From your crease you have to put 3 fingers, and the 4th finger is the pericardium 6 point. So you have to locate this point, mark it with some sketch pen. So this is the point. So you can stimulate this point. This is a middle point, 3 fingers from the crease, and the 4th point you can say. So you can stimulate this point slowly, gradually, in a relaxed position. At least stimulate this point for 3 to 5 minutes on regular basis. If you are suffering from blood pressure, so you can see your blood pressure is being managed without drug also. And you can see if you are a heart patient, you can see very good changes even without using drugs. So basically the energy congestions in your heart is 50% cardiac deaths are due to it. So you have to manage this point. So you have this point on the right hand also. In the same way, you have to put 3 fingers, locate this point, and you can even press this point for 3 to 5 minutes. On daily basis, if you stimulate this point, you can see your blood pressure, even though it is low or high, it gets balanced. So this can balance your blood pressure. It's a very vital point. And apart from blood pressure, it can also control your emotions, your insomnia problems that might be due to hyperactivity of heart, where you have difficulty in sleeping on time. So it will also help you in controlling insomnia. And mostly many emotional related issues also can be dealt successfully. The anger, depression, lot of emotional disorders can also be managed. And most importantly, vomiting sensation. Many of you have travel sickness. I mean, if you ride by bus or flight, you might feel nausea and vomiting sensations. So this is very, very effective point in controlling nausea and vomiting sensations too. So basically, you just need to stimulate. If you have certain set of these problematic areas, if you are having problem related to your heart, blood pressure, or basically this vomiting sensations, or any psychological problems also, this point will definitely help you out. So daily at least stimulate this point. I'm showing you how you can stimulate. Just by pressing with your thumb, you can stimulate this point. Just do it at least 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. 2 to 3 months you will see big changes. So I would advise you to continue this if you are suffering from certain illnesses. So this is a very good point. On daily basis, if you are doing it, is going to supplement your health in many ways. So continue this acupressure point for your life, and you can also share this video to your near and dear, whoever is suffering from heart related illnesses. This tip is definitely going to help them. So spread this knowledge, spread the joy, and I hope everyone, this will help them in improving the quality of health. Thank you. Dr. Sagar.